Do you ever feel that you're becoming too domesticated in your life, that you're losing touch with the creative, passionate, wild side of who you are? I'm Mark Matousek, and I want to invite you to my writing workshop at Blue Spirit Costa Rica, The Call of the Wild, Imagination as a Path of Vitality, from March the 16th through the 23rd. I'm really looking forward to this new program. We're going to be exploring the authentic voice within us and how we can become more mindful and attentive to our desires, our authentic impulses, and the parts of us that want to expand and grow beyond our current limitations. We'll be starting each day with a series of guided writing exercises, followed by group conversation and one-on-one time with me. You do not have to be a writer to benefit from this workshop. All you need are curiosity and the willingness to challenge your beliefs, your biases, and the limitations that hold you back. Writing to Awaken is a method that I discovered to help people tap into the truth of their own experience. When you tell the truth, your story changes. And when your story changes, your life is transformed. That's the work that we're going to be doing together. Omega is a fantastic place for doing this kind of deep transformational practice, and I look forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to let me know. And until then, take good care. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.